Hello everyone. Our project prototype is Smart Train Locking System. Our project is mainly implemented in hotels which are of open garden restaurants and street hotels which are of open type. Here customers will be sitting in the open garden restaurant or open air restaurant, and when rainfall is not there, motor will be rotating in the reverse direction. Here we can see the motor rotating in reverse direction, and we are trying to spill water on the raindrop sensor. When the particular intensity is matched, motor will rotate in forward direction. We will see it now. We are sprinkling more water. Now the motor started rotating in forward direction, and if motor rotates a forward direction, a sheet will be opened in forward direction, so that rainfall can be prevented on the customers who are sitting outside the restaurant or the open garden area. We are also recording the temperature and humidity live, which can be used in summer season to open the sheet, so that customers can be in cool area. Here we are seeing the live tracking of the uh, temperature, humidity, and rainfall. We have started the live tracking. Here we can see each and every second it's recording. And when rainfall and motor starts, we can see the green lights blinking up. And when rainfall doesn't is not there, both will be turned off. Now we can see both are turned off, and we can see temperature and humidity are recorded live. Coming to the hardware, this is we have placed a raindrop sensor, DH11 sensor on the top. A Node MCU and L293D are placed at the bottom. We have used the L293D IC to give instructions to motor, and we have placed the raindrop sensor on top, so that when rain falls, motor will rotate. Data analytics part, we have used rainfall dataset from 1901 to 2015, which has rainfall intensity of all states. This is the dataset that we have read. All the states have been shown here. We have done some pre-processing data dot head, which shows top five columns of the dataset. Uh, we have used data dot describe, which shows all the mean, standard deviation, mean, median, mode, etc. for each year and month. This is a pair plot, plotted versus year versus intensity. Uh, this is a graph we have plotted for the year versus intensity for all the states. Like for a particular year, all states how much rainfall was there. We have plotted the graph here. See, we can see here the rising up and down, and I have divided the years into months. And here we can see for each month, for a particular state, how much amount of data is there increase. This is also one of the graph which shows a small increase. And this is a plot we have used, bar bar plot, where we will be plotting for each state for month wise with different colors. We can see here it's going up and it's going very high and low for each state.